A black comic story. Written by E.G. Hebrews.
Birdie the Bird. There once was a bird named Birdie who lived in the land of birds. In the land of birds, Birdie would see some big birds and some little birds. He would also see tall birds and small birds. In the land of birds, there was a big tree that all the birds would go to and sing and dance. Birdie would see different colored birds flying around the tree. There were blue birds, and there were white birds. There were red birds, and there were black birds. There were yellow birds, and there were pink birds. Every day for lunch, Birdie and the other birds loved eating lunch together. The little birds would eat worms, and the big birds would eat fish. After eating some food, Birdie would fly over the water with his friends. Birdie and his friends liked to play tag and a game called Can You Catch Me? After a long day of fun, Birdie would fly home in time to eat dinner with Mother Bird and Father Bird. After dinner, Birdie would go to his room and watch some bird anime. Then Mother Bird would tell Birdie to wash his feathers and brush his beak before bedtime. After washing his feathers and brushing his beak, Birdie gets into his nest for bed. Then Birdie's father comes inside Birdie's room and reads him a story about space birds. Before his father could finish reading the whole story, Birdie falls fast asleep. The end.